Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, early in the morning, man. I just woke up today. I just woke up today. I was expecting to. Last night, I was expecting to hold like to make some money from next DJ2I. I had like some 60 pips, bro, that I've been waiting yesterday the whole day. But last night the market was not ready to be taken, and I just woke up in the morning. I was expecting like maybe it's ready to be taken, but I find the market already moved, man, in my way, so which means the market was already leaving me. And then I had also Nas 100. Same thing. I was expecting some 8 times from Nas 100, and then I woke up in the morning, already gone. So I mean, like, especially when you already become profitable trader, sometimes things are not going to go on your way all the time. You know what I'm saying? Because if you understand that before you enter the market, you have to be patient. You have to be waiting for the market like to show your information, like your confirmations and everything. So sometimes inside of waiting, sometimes the market, it does do things like this, but it's all good. I say it's all good. So what I mean is, every single time you jump to the market, don't worry if the market already gone. There is always another, there is always another trade. You know what I'm saying? There is always another trade. I don't mind since the market I've been waiting for since yesterday until today. Then I woke up in the morning, find the trade already gone. I don't mind about that. It's all good. I say it's all good, but I was expecting to make some cash from these ones, but they're already gone. About so far, I saw some opportunity from AUDK, and I did share this trade in my free Telegram group. I say as I saw that it's moving on in between support and the resistance. I say we're expecting to make some money from AUDK as well. I say so. This is another trade I just found in the morning. So let's see, man. Let's see how it's gonna go. So if you're not in the free Telegram group, make sure you join the free Telegram group. Go check it out. AUDK. I already sent the full setup in the free Telegram group. I'm sure you're gonna make some money from it. So don't miss the free Telegram group. But the signal is gonna be available in the VIP group. If you want to enter same time as me, make sure you join the free Telegram VIP group as well. Yeah. So guys, it's just early in the morning. So this is what I do when I woke up. First thing, once I jump to the chart, I just open my chart, and then first thing I do, I look at the chart just like this. I look at the chart just like this. First thing first I do, I promise to myself what type of the trade am I going to be looking for today. You feel what I'm saying? So when I'm looking at the chart like this, I'm gonna promise to myself like today I need blackout, or I need, most of you guys knows that I use support and resistance. I use trend line strategy, and I use my mobile strategies which I created. If you don't know my mobile strategies that might help you, let's say you're still a beginner, you don't know how to do support and resistance thing, check my previous videos. I already dropped a lot of videos about mobile strategies. That mobile strategy helps you to catch the entries like 50 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, 20 pips. That's what it's gonna help you about, because I did share with you guys everything, all the information about my mobile strategies. If you watch my mobile strategies, you will see everything. It's gonna help you to catch some small pips, say 50 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips, something like that. So I use trend line strategy helps me to control the market, like to catch big pips, 100 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips, something like that. So yeah, man. So what I mean by this is, when I wake up in the morning, I first look at the chart and I promise to myself, like, this is the type of the trade am I looking for today. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm looking for the breakout and the retest, or I'm looking for when the market bounces to the trend line and give me the confirmations, you know what I'm saying, and then I enter the market. So then after I already know these two things, I'm gonna look at all the pairs. Guys, I don't have a pair that I can be like, I trade this. And I also want to answer this question to everybody who's watching this video today. Yeah, people used to ask me like, Juba, what type of trade are you trading? So I trade everything. I mean, in my trade lists, you can see here on my trade list, I have all the trades. I have everything that called currency pairs. As you can see, I have AUDKD, AUDCHF, AUDJPY, AUDNSD, AUD, KD, KDCHF, KJPY. I have EURJPY, I have GBP, KD. I mean, I have NASDAQ gold, I have USDT, I have everything. Like, I trade everything. So even in a VIP group, we trade anything that is ready to be taken. If gold is ready to be taken, we get in. USDT is ready to be taken, we get in. You know what I'm saying? Because I can trade anything that gives me opportunity. You understand? Yeah, man. So I trade anything, man, that comes in my way, you know, just like that. But the most important thing which I want to remind you today, guys, is when you jump into the market, before you open the chart in the morning, first thing first, don't just jump in the market. You don't know what you're looking for. Promise to yourself, like, this is what I'm going to be looking for today. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna help you so much. And the other thing is, don't be greedy for the money, you know. Just keep patient in front of more than anything else, because you being patient is gonna help you so much to overtrade and to over losing your money, you know. Be patient. Before you get in the market, make sure you confirm everything, direction of the market. Before you sell the currency, make sure the market is on downtrend. Before you buy the trade, make sure the market is on uptrend. Don't ever against the market, because when you against the trend, let's say the market is on uptrend and then you're selling, which means you are against yourself. You can never make it. I'm telling you. It's on uptrend, deal with the buyers. It's on downtrend, deal with the sellers. That's the secret, and that is the key, which is going to make you always, your account numbers always higher. Yeah, man. So I hope you enjoyed the video, man, and make sure you subscribe if you're new for more tips about forex trading, and leave the comment below for any question or any type of the video that I can do for you guys. You know, I'm here for you guys to provide you whatever you need. You know, I say, today it's my 9th year in the trading, so I've got all the information you need when it comes to trading. You know, I say, as you can see my eyes, bro, like, it's very sharp when it comes to the trading, to the chart. Yeah, man, have a good day. Let's see what we're gonna make from a UDK. Make sure you join the free Telegram group for more more updates about the market that we're gonna be about taking. Peace out.